ट्राइपॉड से पैर बचा रहा हूँ, चढ़ जाता है ऐसे टेढ़ा खड़ा हुआ लो। चलो बैकअप। क्या बात है।
ए तांबे हाथ खाली घे. इकडे 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 वरती वरती.
म्यूजिक आया ना, म्यूजिक बजाना रमेश ने
ए चल रे.
अरे सारे अर्जुन ने भी ना ए आराम से कौन है तुम हुस्न परी तुम कितना चिल्ला रहा है.
आवेश कैमरा पीछे लग, कैमरा लग क्यों आ गया?
ए तांबे बस रे खाली.
आवेश थोड़ा पीछे आ, तेरे वो आ रहा है.
अरे तांबे घाल ना तू खाली.
पिना लड़की बोला हाय अर्जुन. मैंने बोला तुमको ऐसे लुक में भी ये हॉट लगते हैं. बोला हाय अर्जुन रामपाल है यार. But yeah, sir, the acting has just been absolute aces. But more than anything, sir, thank you for uplifting me on set. You know, बहुत मुश्किल था जैसे कि उन्होंने mention किया. चोट लग जाती थी, गिरते थे, पड़ते थे, खून पसीना लगाते थे. कभी कभी सर भी ट्रिप करके गिर जाते थे, माथे पे लग जाता था, वो ऐसे उठ के कुछ नहीं चलो चलो. You know, he was just an absolute beast and we are so honored to have you as part of this ensemble, sir. Thank you for everything. Sara, I can't believe we're here on this stage. What a special moment for you. I'm honored to be part of it. I'm lucky to be part of such a special moment for you. Sara here is a prodigy. आपको पता चलेगा कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, मतलब बचपन से ही आपको पता है कि दे आर जस्ट लाइक अ चाइल्ड प्रोडिजी. लाइक एक बार डकोटा फैनिंग आई थी हॉलीवुड में. आई थिंक सारा इट्स टेस्टमेंट टू द फैक्ट दैट यू बीट थाउजेंड्स ऑफ अदर कैंडिडेट्स टू लैंड दिस पार्ट एंड इट्स एज इफ यू वर बोर्न टू डू दिस. ऐसे लगता है ये 50 फिल्म करके आई है. शी इज सो प्रिकॉशियस एज अ पर्सन, एज अ परफॉर्मर. यू आर one of the finest actors that I have shared screen with. You make me look better and my heartfelt gratitude for that. I just can't believe that it's your first film. Obviously, you know, somebody who I love and respect a lot, Mr. Mani Ratnam, sir, you've acted in his films as well and you've showed your potential and this is when the world will see you on the big stage and I'm really, really happy and I'm very, very proud of you. Thank you, Sara. Ma'am, आपके बारे में क्या बोलेंगे? हमारी अडल्ट रेटेड फिल्म है. जो भाषा मैं आपके लिए यूज करना चाहता हूँ वो मैं शायद इस स्टेज को शोभा नहीं देगा. आज बड़ा फॉर्मल सा इवेंट है, बट आप so, you are an absolute beast, ma'am. It really takes conviction of another level to back something like this, a vision like this. And जब आप कुछ बहुत ही बड़ा करने जा रहे हैं लाइफ में, the process can never be easy. Every step of the way we would face challenges and we could fall back on the backing of Jyoti Deshpande. Every pore of mine is grateful towards you for backing this, for mounting it, and for giving it everything that it needed to become what it is. Thank you so much, ma'am. And finally, the man, the visionary. इनके बारे में मैं कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहूँगा. जब आप पिक्चर देखेंगे आप खुद महसूस करेंगे ये क्या चीज़ है. When he made Uri, he burst onto the scene like an absolute explosion. And it's been so many years. How many years, sir? You're back on screen?
7.
After 7 years, sir is making a film. And he's absolutely unflinching, absolutely uncompromising in his vision, in his execution. He's never settles for anything other than what he's dreamed up. I doff my hat to you, sir. The amount of work you've put in over the past 2 years. First of all, when we first engaged, I was shocked that you were even making something like this. And he was like, "Yaar, karna hai, yaar, dikhana hai dunya ko ki hum kaun hai." You know, he assumes the responsibility of Indian cinema, and that's why he's a champion, and you will see it on December 5th. What he's created is an absolutely unprecedented work of cinema, and I'm really happy and really proud that you made me a part of it. Thank you, sir. और हमारे करता धरता, the man who made it all possible, put it all together and made sure that everybody put their best foot forward. We used to always say, if everybody here, and we had it's a big film, we had many people working on it, so many people. If everybody puts their best foot forward, everybody gives more than 100%, because this is a team sport, you see what will happen. And honestly, picture ka jo bhi ho, I feel like I've already won. Just being a part of this, going through this, the past 2 years, what we've created, I feel extremely blessed and extremely grateful. Thank you all. I hope you enjoyed the trailer. घर जाके YouTube पे भी देखना, और December 5th को come and feel and experience this on the big screen. Thank you so much. Before we get to the main piece, that could not be more true than in this context. Two people I forgot to mention are Sanjay sir and Akshay sir. Akshay sir is going to be a scene stealer, as he always is in everything that he's a part of. We're really missing him today. And it's a massive deal for me to be in a movie with Sanju Baba. You know, Bachpan se he's one of my screen idols, one of the major motion picture heroes from the 90s, copied his style, watched all his movies from a young age, and to be in a movie with him is extremely special.
Show it to people how you copy him. Come on.
सर आपने तो ट्रेलर में दिखा दिया, मैं बोल दूंगा तो वायरल हो जाएगा.
एसपी असलम के अगर दगाबाजी की तो मारने से पहले तुझे रंडवा बनाऊंगा. और जमील साहब आपको खस्सी.
Thank you so much. Yes, of course. Let's hear it for Sanjay Dutt Saab and Akshay Khanna.